There are plenty of VTuber advice videos out there telling you how big and important your debut is, and that's true to some extent, so let me explain. A lot of people, including me, go back to a VTuber's debut to see what they're like. Sure, they may be a bit nervous because it's their first stream, but usually they talk about their interests, such as their likes and dislikes, their favorite games and media, and their plans as a VTuber. It's a way to tell if you're going to like this person or not. If you share a lot of likes in common, then you may go and try to watch some of their streams. But if you dislike a lot of their favorite things, or they dislike a lot of your favorites, you're probably less likely to check them out. But after a while, I found it more fun to discover VTubers by clips or just popping into their streams to see if I really like them or not. Even if your interests don't align, they can be fun to chat with or to watch. And there are many times where they may act very differently upon their debut than how they stream now. I've found that most people who discover my streams just pop on in and don't really check back on my debut to see what I was like then compared to now. People like learning about people's interests organically through natural conversation and interaction, rather than watching them list everything off like a homework assignment. Debuts are also something that big VTuber companies hype up because they're showcasing a new product. So people began to think that having a successful debut is necessary for success as a VTuber. For me, I had around 500 followers on Twitter around my debut, but only about 3 people popped in. All people that I interacted with on their streams or with online rather than someone new checking out this new VTuber for the sake of possibly discovering a new streamer to watch. Even then, there wasn't much chatting, just piping in here and there while I talked about myself. But now, I have a handful of people who come to my streams to chat, so I am almost always responding to something someone has said. My debut may have seemed pretty unsuccessful, especially compared to big corporate VTubers, but I have already built a small community of people who enjoy talking and hanging out with me, supporting me in my endeavors as an independent VTuber. So don't worry if your debut isn't anything special. The people who vibe with you most will find you if you put yourself out there. Good luck to all you aspiring VTubers out there. I have more VTuber tips on the way, so subscribe if you want to see more or if you liked all the ones I made so far. See you later. Bye bye.